Hindi lang isang simpleng pagtitipon ang naganap sa La Union Convention Center. Bawat Rotarian mula sa District 3790 ay may dalang kwento ng serbisyo, malasakit at inspirasyon. Mga kwento na nagbibigay saysay sa motto ng Rotary na Service Above Self.
I joined Rotary because of its advocacy to help out people, especially yung meron tayong advocacy with End Polio Now. So personally, my mom is a polio victim and she died 6 years ago. So from there on, sabi ko, gusto ko makatulong. So that's why nung nakita ko na meron ganito. And yung motto natin, which is Service Above Self, yun yung nakapagpahikayat sa akin to join Rotary.
Hindi lamang personal na inspirasyon ang hatid ng Rotary. Ang kanilang serbisyo ay may pangmatagalang epekto sa mga komunidad, sa buong bansa at sa buong mundo. Ayon kay Dr. Mildred Vitangcol, Rotary Public Image Coordinator ng Zone 10A o sa buong Pilipinas, mahalagang maipahayag sa publiko ang mga kwentong ito upang mahikayat ang mas marami pang miyembro.
It's about inspiring others with our stories. It's about showcasing the tangible impact we make in the communities locally and around the globe. It is about attracting like-minded individuals who want to be part of Rotary, doing something bigger than ourselves.
Bukod sa paghikayat ng bagong miyembro, layunin din ng Rotary na ipakita ang pangmatagalang epekto ng kanilang serbisyo. Hindi lamang sa lokal na komunidad, kundi pati sa buong mundo.
Together, we see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe in our communities and of course in ourselves. Magising na po tayong lahat. Kailangan ng magbago at may panibagong gagawin.
My fellow Rotarians, it's time to show that we transform lives. And the best way is to have those key messages for the world to understand that we are people of action. And we're the first, actually, to come forward to address community needs or the needs of the world. So, let's work together. Let's promote the Rotary brand.
Tinututukan din ngayon ng Rotary ang pagpapalakas ng kanilang public image campaign upang maipakita ang aktibong papel ng bawat miyembro sa mga komunidad. Tugon nga ng ilang Rotarians na nakiisa.
It is very important that we have this awareness in the public image campaign, like how we encourage our members to participate in Rotary's work and also to show in our community what is Rotary doing in the world.
Napaka-importante nito sa bawat club, lalong-lalo na dito sa District 3790 to enhance visibility. Magkaroon ng partnerships sa mga LGUs, sa mga private sectors, attract new members, is yung retention ng members kasi nakikita nila kung gaano kaganda yung buhay ng isang Rotarian.
Thank you very much for the public image coordination ng Zone 10A kasi nakikita namin na well-publicized, well-promoted ang mga ginagawa ng mga Rotary clubs in District 3790. And it helps us na maging inspired ang Rotary to do more and to help more na hindi lang siya for like local, but we are part of a bigger organization in the district and the whole Philippines and the whole world.
Para sa ibang Rotary leaders, mahalaga ang ganitong pagsasanay upang matutunan ang pinakamahusay na pamamaraan at maibahagi sa iba't ibang distrito sa buong bansa.
Congratulations first kasi ito very successful ang mga ginagawa ng club para matrain lahat. May pakita kung ano yung mga best practices ng iba't ibang district, iba't ibang club para ma-improve ang ating public image para sa Rotary sa clubs.
Paano natin ma-achieve yun? Kasi kung ganito lang tayo, walang ibang sumusuporta. Pero with our past district governor Mildred Vitangcol, nakita kung gaano siya kaporsigido and her team. So to PDG, Mildred Vitangcol, ready na po ang District 3790.
So remember, in the Club of Rotary, Of course, you need a good heart and you need good money. Okay, but the most important is not that. The most important is you can help each other in the club. Okay, getting more and more member, teach to others what is Rotary, and be generous with people. Anyway, it's always a blessing to doing that with pleasure.
Where we welcome everyone. If you have a heart for service, we welcome you with Rotary.
I was a hesitant Rotarian. But the end of the day, I didn't realize also that I'm going to stay this long. As Rotarians, we are able to connect. So when you're able to connect, you build relationships. When you build relationships, you are there to stay because the Rotarians that you know become your friends. At the same time, you are more connected to the community. Dito mo ngayon nakikita na meron palang marami pang dapat tulungan. So, sinasabi ng iba, I joined Rotary para to change the world. But for me, when I joined Rotary, it changed me.
Sa huli, hindi lamang ranggo ang mahalaga para sa Rotary, kundi ang patuloy na pag-ukit ng malasakit sa puso ng mga tao.
Sa lahat ng mga Rotarians, of course, kailangan natin magtrabaho pa because we want to be the top of mind of a humanitarian organization, non-government organization, regarding an organization that's doing humanitarian services. So sana po tayo ay tuloy-tuloy lang po yung trabaho natin dahil hindi baling number one tayo sa rango, but importante, number one tayo sa mga puso ng mga beneficiaries natin.
Sa pamamagitan ng sama-samang pagtutulungan at kwento ng serbisyo, patuloy na pinapalakas ng Rotary ang ugnayan ng kanilang mga miyembro at higit sa lahat, ipinapakita ang tunay na diwa ng service above self. Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kung mahal, ito si Jade Calabroso, SMNA News.